Weekly cybersecurity news and updates powered by Cybersecurity Park.
A team of researchers from 5 American most reputed academic institutions has developed an eavesdropping attack for Android devices. Named EarSpy, the side-channel attack is designed to capture what users say through sly methods. According to Bleeping Computer, to some degree, it can recognize the caller's gender and identity. A new malvertising campaign abuses Google Ads to serve Trojanized variants that deploy malware such as Raccoon Stealer and Vidar to target users who are searching for popular software. Hackers are utilizing malicious XL-add-in.xll files as their initial attack vector in response to Microsoft's decision to block VBA macros by default for Office files downloaded from the internet.
Weekly cybersecurity news and updates powered by Cybersecurity Park. TFM.
Let's talk.